West Main Street, something changed. A familiar building was reimagined. In its place now stands a modern, warm, and welcoming building that visually represents exactly the values and mission that Aspen Federal Credit Union has always embraced. Founded in Rapid City in 1966, Aspen Federal Credit Union is a member-owned credit union guided by a mission as straightforward as it is meaningful: enriching lives through financial growth. That same philosophy, thoughtful, people-first, built for the long term, shaped every decision of their West Main Street branch renovation. The transformation is striking. A modern exterior facade now anchors the corridor with warmth and confidence. Refreshed landscaping, carefully screened mechanical equipment, and new exterior lighting brighten the block while blending with the natural beauty of the neighborhood. A detail that speaks volumes about a team that considers its surroundings as thoughtfully as it serves its members. Step inside and the care continues. Natural light, a welcoming fireplace, and contemporary finishes that make every visit feel less like a transaction and more like coming home. Because for Aspen Federal Credit Union, a beautiful space has always been about something larger than aesthetics. It's an expression of who they are. When this branch was first constructed, Aspen FCU earned the Beautification Award in 2009. To invest so fully in that same space again decades later is a testament to a team that doesn't simply build something beautiful and move on. They tend to it, they renew it, they grow with their customers and keep showing up for Rapid City. Through this renovation, Aspen Federal Credit Union has given West Main Street something it will carry for decades: a space that is modern, welcoming, and deeply rooted in the community it has served for nearly 60 years.